I stand before myself alone and talk to her. I have always been average. I have always felt that I haven't achieved my best. I have never earned a perfect grade before, and now I want to be first. I wonder if I will succeed in achieving this goal while being accustomed to complacency. It might seem exaggerated, but let me tell you, we were not created to be average. We were meant to achieve more. Here's a story to inspire you. At a university, a student arrived late to the lecture, exhausted and weary. He fell asleep in his seat and woke up at the end of the lecture. He saw an equation on the board and thought it was important, so he quickly noted it down and left. A week later, he returned with a solution to the equation. When the teacher inquired about this equation, he was shocked because the student had solved an equation that was considered unsolvable. This story teaches us important lessons. If the student had believed that the equation couldn't be solved, he wouldn't have dared to try. But he didn't set limits on his thinking. He worked hard and experimented until he found the solution. This is a lesson we all need to learn. Our minds have enormous potential, filled with neurons, information, and ideas. If you think you're limited, you're only setting limits on yourself. If you work hard, if you strive more, if you view yourself differently, you'll discover your true potential. You can achieve success beyond your expectations. When we face failure, we blame circumstances, teachers, or even our country, but the truth is, we need to blame ourselves. Why didn't we achieve what we wanted? Because we didn't put in enough effort, because we were complacent, because we chose comfort over work. Be strong, push your abilities to the fullest, and don't set limits on what you can achieve. We were not created to be average, but to be exceptional. From now on, this is our motto. Every time you feel hesitation or surrender, remember that success doesn't come from mere desire, but from hard work and belief in your abilities. Start today by changing your mindset, setting high goals, and being ready to overcome any obstacle in your path. The world is full of opportunities for those who dare to chase their dreams. Smile in the face of challenges and celebrate every small step you take towards success. You are the true hero of your life story, and the dreams you hold deserve to become reality. Hold your head high and move forward with confidence. Every day is a new opportunity to prove to the world and to yourself that you can achieve what seems impossible. Always remember, the bigger world is waiting for you. With every step and every effort, you are shaping your future with your own hands. Don't settle for being just a number. Make yourself a symbol of excellence and creativity.